Okay.
You're going to record this session, sir?
You want me to record it?
Yeah, it will be good only.
Okay. Let's start.
So,
This is the area of interest. Okay. We will see. Anyway, engulfing and engulfing buy, sell, fill.
yeah, some of the videos of YouTube, like I just went through,
Uh-huh.
gone through those videos. I have a little bit of idea, but not completely.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
We remember we will learn supported resistance system, which will be we will call it SNR, and we will mix SNR with engulfing. Okay. We call
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking a little bit slow. uh, Normally I do not talk that much slow. I have a little bit
Mm-hmm.
headache now, so I'm talking a little bit slow. We we are going to learn market candle by candle, very candle by candle. Okay. So when we say it candle by candle, the recently what I said, everything is in the chart, sir, is combination of color. Okay. Combination of
Mm-hmm.
color. That means we see green candle as for buy, red candle as for sell. Okay, green candle for buy, red candle for sell. Got my point? So
Correct.
whenever we say the combination means different thing. Like you and your wife is the combination, right? And me and you are not the combination. We are the same gender. You got my point? We are the
Mm-hmm.
same gender, but you and your wife is the combination. Got it, my friend?
Got it.
So whenever you will see this thing, it is a red candle. Okay, sir? So when we have a red candle, what will be the combination? Green candle. Is it?
Yeah, correct.
Because we called two different thing, we will two different color, we are going to call it a combination. Got it?
Got
Now
it.
when we have the same color candle like this and this, can you call it a combination?
No.
No. So before going to the combination part, let's go to something else. We call what it is. It is a green candle. Okay.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
how this green candle created? This is the opening of that candle, and
Yeah.
this is the closing of that candle. Okay. This is the closing of that candle.
Okay.
What else we
Yeah.
have? What else we have? We have
High and low.
high.
Yeah.
We have low. Okay. We have high, we have
Correct.
low. Now when we have high and low, let's write it also. Okay, we have high, we have low. So how this candle formation was happened? It is opened here, right, sir? Come back to the
Correct.
downside, all the way go to higher, and then it closed. Okay, what we call
Yeah.
it?
OLHS. OLHS. Sorry, HC.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Open, low, high, close. OLHC.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
the same thing for red. Okay, how this candle form? It started here, open, right? Goes to
Correct.
high side, come to low side, come here, closed. So how we are going to form
Yeah.
it? We are going to form it OHLC. Like it's like
Correct.
difference of the word, but the formation is same similar. Okay, sir. So
Yes, sir.
why we need it? Why we need it? We need it for finding our engulfing. Okay, we have different reason for it, but today's only we are going to learn to find it our engulfing. Whenever I said engulfing, what candle formation you remember? Like this, only like this. Is it so? Only like this. Like
Okay.
two candle created, one is green, one is red. Okay, two candle created,
Yeah.
one is green, one is red. So it is engulfing of what? Sell or buy.
Correct.
It is sell or buy. Sell, right, sir?
Correct.
And
Which one? Second one? And this one buy.
this one is buy, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This one is buy. Now, this is what we see, and we used to see it from the other places, right? Very very common pattern. We call engulfing sell and engulfing buy, and but we call regular for us. Whenever we see two candle engulfing, we call it regular. Okay.
Yeah.
Now remember OHLC, OHLC, this one. So if you look at here, we have low here, we have high here, right?
Yeah.
And we have low here, we have high here. So as it is a two candle engulfing and we call it a regular engulfing, for us, whenever the low, this candle low is breakout with the body, okay? This candle,
Mm.
sorry, as it is the high, so we need something. This candle high has to break out with the body, okay? When the breakout with the body happened, we call it engulfing. When the breakout with the body happened, we call it engulfing. Now, in other senses, right, if you look at this, and we have a wick here, and now we have a green candle here, can you call it a engulfing?
Yes, we can, because the body is covered, engulfed by the green one.
Right, this.
Yeah.
So we call it a engulfing
Engulfing.
by.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Now, as I said, all the thing we have which is related to two candle engulfing, we call it what engulfing? Regular, regular
Okay.
engulfing, right? Regular engulfing.
Yeah.
Now, what if when I said remember the combination? You see, this two candle is the combination green red, red green, green green, red green, right?
Mm-hmm.
Two combination color. Now, what if we have a green candle and we have a high, we have a low, and when you see one single color, what you will think, what combination of you will think?
Nothing. There is no opposite color here.
No. I said you will think of the combination of what color? Red color, right? Opposite color.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Yes.
So whenever the opposite color you were looking for, that means what engulfing you are looking for? Cell engulfing, is it?
Selling. Yes. Selling. Yes.
Is it? Now, can we call this is the cell engulfing?
No.
Why?
Because the low of the green candle is not breaking. Like it's not engulfed by the red one.
And this is still not a engulfing, right?
No.
What if now this?
Yeah. Now it is engulfed.
Because of the low is broken with the body. Oh, sorry, low is broken with the body, right?
Yeah.
You know, in a real chart, sometime we will see something like this. Maybe now this will be something else. Now it could be change the color. Is it, brother? It could change the
Uh-huh.
color. So if the color change, what we are going to say? What we are going to solve? Okay, this when the color will change. Okay, what we are going to do? We
Mm-hmm.
are going to shift our high here. We are going to shift our low here. Okay, doesn't matter
Correct. Okay.
how many candle it take. It could take a lots of candle like this, and until the low is not broken with the body, we are not going to call it
Mm-hmm.
engulfing cell. You got it?
Got it, sir.
So buy will be the vice versa. Okay, very vice versa. So far good.
Yes, sir. Good. All good.
Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the chart. Let me remove. Let us start from whatever I have in front of my chart. Whatever I have in front of my chart, okay? Whatever. What you are going to call it?
Yes, sale engulfing,
Regular or irregular?
regular.
Okay. What it is?
Yeah, this is also sale engulfing, regular.
No, irregular. Because it took one, two,
Okay,
three.
regular means consecutively.
No,
Irregular means?
regular means only two candle, okay? Just two candle
Okay, okay,
engulfing.
okay.
Irregular
Got
means
it.
more than two candle, okay? So,
Got it.
what it is? Do you are you going to call it anything?
No,
Because nothing happened,
the
no,
body is not engulfed. Yeah, yeah.
right. And what we are going to call it?
Yeah, this is sale engulfing, regular,
Regular. This is
regular. Yeah, this is also regular. This is also
what it is.
buy.
What it is.
This is irregular.
Okay. What it is.
Buy. Uh, this is a irregular.
Sell, right?
Sell, yes. And this is also irregular. Sell,
Regular, two candle regular,
regular,
two candle
regular.
regular. This is what?
This is irregular. Selling.
This is what?
Irregular. Buy.
Okay. We have a running candle which will be closed in 2 hour 40 minutes. So look,
Mm-hmm.
in a sense, from here to here, we almost cover everything, right? The combination we covered, right? Except this one. This is one the
Yeah.
buy and this one is the sell. Okay, almost everything. What we are left with? This, this,
Mm.
this, right? These are the thing
Yeah.
we are left with. Okay. Now, pick any of level like this level. Let's say we are going to pick this level. Okay, this level, and we have this. Do we see any engulfing here?
No.
What if we break it down to one time frame below? Do we see anything?
Yeah.
Not here, not the line I draw.
Not. Yeah. Not the line. Yeah.
Okay, and now in H1, do you see
Uh,
this one?
yeah. Yeah. Below that one. Yes.
This one, right? This one.
Regular. Yeah. Yeah. Regular.
Regular,
Sell inside.
regular, regular. So what I said, everything in the chart is the Kala combination. When I say the Kala combination, that means engulfing. Okay. Now we are in
Yeah.
H1 time frame. We are in H1 time frame. Look, we have a engulfing. We have an engulfing here. Okay. We have an
Mm-hmm.
engulfing here, but we are left with something in this gap. If you see, this is a gap level. We call it right.
Right.
Open and close candle.
Okay.
So we do we have any engulfing on the line I draw here? Nothing, right?
No.
Just
No.
make it a red line. Let's go to 30 minute. Do we have anything yet? None. Nothing, right?
No.
Let's go to 15
Yes.
minute. Do we have it?
Yes.
So what you have understood so far? Whatever we are learning in the chart or reading the candle, everything is what? Engulfing, okay? In the market,
Okay.
everything is what? Engulfing to
Engulfing.
engulfing to engulfing, whatever we are learning in the chart. Got it, my friend? Everything.
Got it. Yeah.
So now we know that so far we know that just give me a minute, okay?
So.
We know that there is two color combination, we call it engulfing. There is a regular engulfing, there is a irregular engulfing. Got it? But
Okay.
why we need the engulfing? That's the second question. Okay, why we need the engulfing? If
Yeah.
you look, we expect market will move to engulfing. Okay, like let's say this is an engulfing area. We have a engulfing here. We have another engulfing here. So we expect market will react it from this engulfing to this engulfing and then come back to this engulfing. This is how we expect market will operate. Okay,
Okay.
got it? So engulfing is basically is a reaction zone. When I said it is a reaction zone, that means this is an engulfing buy. You see it.
Mm-hmm.
Market came down to that engulfing buy area, and then we see market move to upper side, and this is another engulfing buy area. This market just came back to this engulfing buy area. We see a reaction. We have a engulfing sell area here, where we see today's news time market goes back and we
Mm-hmm.
see a reaction. Okay, so what
Mm-hmm.
we know about now as an engulfing, market will move to engulfing. That is what we know so far. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let's go to something else.